What are you doing? Hi everyone, I'm here to do a wear and tear / review video of this little beauty right here. So this is actually a 1 year wear and tear / review video. Moment of silence. This is absolutely, and I always say this, the perfect shade of red to me. Let me show you guys. Look how beautiful that is. Oh, it is stunning. Okay, so this is the bag. It came in the Gucci box with the magnetic closure and the tissue and everything. And I do have my unboxing video linked down below if you guys are interested. I'm just pulling out the receipt right here so I can tell you guys when exactly I purchased it. Ooh. There's the little thing. So it came in a Gucci envelope. This is just my shipping information. So I ordered it on January 3rd. It took 5 days to arrive. So January 8th was when I got it. And I purchased it for $1,490, and it was purchased from the Gucci website with a $59.60 tax. So let me see. Let me hide my information so I can show you guys. There you go. So I just keep all of my proof of purchases with me just in case. You never know. So I'll keep that. And onto the beautiful bag. So this is the Gucci Marmont Mini size in the velvet red with the antique gold hardware and the leather break in the chain. Absolutely stunning. So you can wear it shoulder bag, crossbody, double strapped, or you can hide everything inside the bag and wear it as a clutch. Let me show you. So I'll just take everything, pull it through, and wear it as a clutch like this. Does that make sense? So let's get on with the wear and tear and the review. So wear and tear, you can obviously see the indentation that the chains have made over a course of a year. Unfortunately, but I believe that is absolutely because it is the velvet bag, and I do wear it mainly crossbody every time I wear it. But when I do store it, I pull it apart, I take it out, and I lay the chains down like that, and it hasn't marked the sides right here. So when I just store it, I sit it up on my shelf over here, and it's just like this. So there's no wear on it besides that. The back over here, you can see a little bit of marks also, I believe, from the chain. The corners have thinned out a little bit. As you can see, this lining right here has thinned out. See this bottom right here. And then this little tip, you can see it. You can see the wear right there. It's a little, it's not really scuffed, but you can tell, like, because every time you open and close it, you kind of touch it with your hands, so it just rubs automatically. You can't really prevent that. The interior is absolutely spotless. This leather, I mean, there's some nicks or whatever, but it's really nothing major. absolutely stunning. Let me take out everything I have in here. This lining is gorgeous. And there's no wear besides dirt. No wear whatsoever on the interior lining. It's absolutely amazing. It's so easy to clean too. You just take a lint paper and just lint it off. Same with the exterior. I absolutely love it. And this size is perfect. I love this size. Back is gorgeous with that little heart. I mentioned before that I'm not really a fan, but you don't really see it. I wish it was a pocket instead. Like if they enlarge this heart and turn it into a pocket, or even just like a rectangle pocket, that would be even more useful because I can put my phone right there and it gives me more storage for the inside. But absolutely love this. This is something that I would repurchase over and over again just because of this color and just the combination in general. It's so stunning and beautiful and I absolutely love it. So this is gorgeous. I would highly recommend it. If you guys are on the market for this item, it is beautiful. Go get it before it doubles in price eventually. I hope not. Actually, that's a good point. Let me look it up, see how much it is right now. Oh, you guys, you would be surprised. So the Gucci Marmont Mini in the red velvet at the Gucci website, on the Gucci website, is $1,590. That glare might be, I hope you guys can see that. It's $1,590. So it's $100 and some change more than what I paid for. That's insane. But I mean, for a year difference, I guess that's not too significant. So it's not, I'd still buy it, honestly. I love it so much. It is gorgeous. And before I purchased this, my husband purchased it. Doesn't matter, we have the same joint account. Anyways, so so he purchased it for Christmas and it was a surprise because he asked me what I wanted. I gave him two options, which was the favorite and this one in the black. And he bought both, and he bought this red instead of the black. And I knew he was gonna buy red just because I knew red is his favorite color. So I'm so happy that he ended up buying the red because it turns out to be one of my absolute favorite bags ever. Like ever. I love it so much. But yeah, so now I'm actually looking at the Gucci Marmont Super Mini in the black leather, obviously in the gold hardware. I wish it came in velvet, but it doesn't. The Super Mini doesn't. So I don't know if I should pull the trigger, but I absolutely love this bag. This red is just amazing. It's gorgeous. And honestly, it's not even that bad, the wear and tear that it has. Like I said, I would still purchase it and I love it just the same. It is gorgeous. But yeah, if you guys have any questions for me, and if you want to know more about this bag, I did a what fits in this bag already. So if you guys are interested, please check it out in my channel. Please like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.